Scrum Master, welcome back to our Scrum Master training, and today we are venturing into Module 3. Get ready to explore the advanced concepts that come into play when we scale up Scrum. This is where the magic happens in large organizations. Expanding Scrum resembles conducting an intricate symphony where numerous teams harmonize their efforts. It's about taking the principles we have learned and applying them on a big scale. We will be discussing frameworks that help us achieve this seamlessly. As organizations grow, so their projects or product as well. Imagine orchestrating small band versus a full-fledged orchestra. The challenges lies in maintaining the harmony while scaling up, and that's where scaling Scrum becomes invaluable. The challenges lies in maintaining the harmony while scaling up, and that's where scaling Scrum becomes invaluable. Let's dive into one of the prominent scaling framework, LESS, which stands for Large Scale Scrum. LESS is all about keeping Scrum simple while scaling it up for more sustainable projects. LESS focuses on simplifying organizational structure and reducing unnecessary complexity. It encourages cross-functional teams and promotes transparency, essential element for success in large-scale Scrum. Another heavyweight in the scaling Scrum era is SAFe. It stands for Scaled Agile Framework. SAFe provides a comprehensive approach to applying agile principles at scale. Let's talk about some key components of SAFe. SAFe is like a toolkit with various components. It includes principles, practices, and roles that facilitate the application of Agile across the entire organization. While scaling Scrum brings immense benefit, it's not without its challenges. Let's talk about the hurdle commonly faced in large-scale implementation. The number one is coordination and communication challenges. With more teams involved, coordinating efforts becomes crucial. Communication can become complex, and ensuring everyone is on the same page requires strategic planning. Next important aspect and challenge is about maintaining consistency across teams. Consistency is the key to success in scaling Scrum. Aligning diverse teams to work cohesively while maintaining the Scrum principle is a balancing act that requires careful attention. Next challenge is about maintaining consistency across teams. Consistency is the key to success in scaling Scrum. Aligning diverse teams to work cohesively while maintaining the Scrum principles is a balancing act that requires careful attention. Next challenge is scaling roles and responsibilities. As we scale, roles and responsibilities may evolve, ensuring that everyone understands that their part and how it fits into the bigger picture is essential for smooth collaboration. Next challenge is integration of outputs. While multiple teams are working simultaneously, integrating their outputs into a cohesive whole can be challenging. We will explore strategies to streamline this process. As we just discussed the challenges, now let's shift our focus to the best practices that can guide us through successful large-scale Scrum implementation. On top of all is the comprehensive training program. Investing in comprehensive training program ensures that all team members, regardless of their roles, have a deep understanding of the scaled Scrum framework. Next one is about clear articulation of goals. In large-scale Scrum, having clearly communicated goals is paramount. This provides a shared vision for all teams and align their efforts towards common objectives. Empowered Scrum Master act as the glue that holds the Scale Scrum framework together. They facilitate collaboration, address impediments, and ensure the smooth flow of information. Utilizing collaborative tools become crucial for large-scale implementations. These tools enhance communication, provide transparency, and facilitate efficient coordination. Scaling doesn't mean neglecting the essence of continuous improvement. Regular retrospectives at scale enable teams to reflect, learn, and adapt effectively. Establishing a continuous feedback loop ensures that issues are identified and addressed promptly. It's like having radar system to navigate the scale Scrum landscape. In large-scale Scrum, real-time metrics and monitoring provide into the overall health of the project. It's similar to having a dashboard that guides decision-making. Now, let's take a bird's eye view of case studies' successful large-scale implementation. Now, let's have a quick look on the case studies of the successful large-scale implementation. Let's draw inspiration from real-world examples. We will explore case studies of organizations that have successfully implemented and scaled Scrum. Organization A embraced large-scale Scrum to streamline its development processes. By simplifying roles and fostering cross-functional teams, they achieved significant improvements in collaboration and productive delivery. On the other hand, Organization B opted for the Scaled Agile Framework to synchronize its agile practices across multiple teams. This approach enhanced their ability to manage dependencies and respond effectively to changing requirements. Alright, Scrum Masters, let's put your knowledge to the test with quick quiz and deepen your knowledge with practical examples with respect to today's topic. Quiz and assignment details available in our lecture details. As promised, there will be a live question and answer sessions at the end of each module where you can ask your questions and clear module related topics. Try to join all the question and answers live sessions as this will happen once and might be I'll be not able to conduct it again as there are always a constraint about the time. So please try to attend those sessions and get more and more benefit from it. As we conclude Module 3, remember that scaling Scrum is not just about size, it's about ensuring that the Scrum principles remains intact while orchestrating a large ensemble. Embrace the challenges, implement the best practices, and let's scale Scrum to new heights together. See you in our next session where we will delve into the continuous improvement and Scrum metrics. Till that, happy learning and stay curious.